Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by making the machine safe. Unplug it and lift the needle and presser foot so components align. Next, place the spool on the pin and lead the thread through the initial guides. This sets tension direction. Inspect the needle. A tiny burr or bend causes skipped stitches, so replace it if needed. While you're threading the top path, keep slight tension on the thread so it seats properly in the guides. Once done, lower the take-up lever to the correct position to continue. You now focus on the complex middle. Thread the line through the tension discs and into the take-up lever, following the machine's path precisely because each curve controls feed and stitch formation. Wind a fresh bobbin with even tension and insert it so the thread feeds in the correct direction. This prevents loops. Click the bobbin case into place and pull the top thread to draw up bobbin thread. If the bobbin catches or resists, reseat it and recheck the winding quality before proceeding. You finish by drawing up the bobbin thread and sewing a test on scrap fabric, using a 2/5 stitch length to evaluate tension and stitch formation. Make micro adjustments to the upper tension dial or slightly tighten the bobbin case spring until stitches are balanced. Small turns matter. Trim threads and run several stitches. If you still see loops or skipped stitches, recheck the needle, thread path, and bobbin orientation because those are the usual culprits. If problems persist, swap the needle and try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.